welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher, the cutest game ever! Okay, so we have 28 new bucks. So we need to get more money. Little slimy cats there, rock cats that we made. Oh, plorts. Our little pink slimy babies. Excuse me. Whoop, whoop. Yes, I know you're cute. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and sleep through the night. What? In we go. Oh, star mail. Rise and shine. Hey, Bee, what's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air clear, as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck, Bee. If anyone can make it out there, it's you, Casey. Aww. Oh, forgot to open up this. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Far Range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new venture as a slime rancher. Support extended. Okay. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. Well, that's nice. The 7Z Corporation providing the tools you need to get the job done for us for a small fee. Oh, okay. Sleep till morning. Hey, here we go. Oh, okay. Time to get out and go explore. Oh, let me get rid of my plorts. Oh, carrots. I'll get those in a minute. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I have 5 tabby slimes, 3 phosphorus slimes. I forgot the carrots. Oh, 1. Come on. There we go. Oh, okay. Come on, little carrots. I gotta feed my slimy wammies. Yep. There we go. Come on. Come on. Okay. All done. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There we go. I think y'all can eat veggies. Let's give it a shot. Can you? Okay. Let's go exploring. I'll be back, my babies. Let's go. Y'all definitely. Oh, let's put the Q berry right here. I'm pretty sure I can get more. Let me get some hens. Don't eat them, don't eat them, don't eat them. Oh. Thanks, guys. Boop. This is a very cute game, and you guys should try it. You really should. What is that down there? Oh! Okay. Oh, it's a larger pink slime. Hello. Be with you in a minute. Thank you. Guess you're not ready yet. Okay. Anything else here? Okay, what are you? Pink Gordo. Diet everything. Oh, you smile. Okay. Oh. There we go. No? Can I feed you my tabbies? I know that was mean. Okay, well, I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I don't want to fall off in the water. Okay. Whoa. Can I go this way? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Hi, guys. I need some foodies. Get some hens. Come here, come here. Come here. You cannot escape me. Go up here. I need to see if I can start getting some upgrades though too. Some pogo fruit. Ew. That's a rotted. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Water. Oh! Okay, not yet. Alright. Let's get out of here. See where else we can go. Y'all stay right there. Thank you. So adorable. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, are you eating my chickens? Excuse me. Come in, come on. Oop, 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 oop. Did I get everything? Oh, there you are. I wonder if I can explore anywhere else before I go. Okay. Oh, cool. There's another door, it looks like, over there. A tabby gordo! Oh, okay. You're gonna need lots and lots of chickens then. From what I'm seeing with the pink gordo. What are you guys? No! Tar! Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Go. Oh, you're eating my slime! No! Those awful rainbows. No, go. Oh. Go away. Come here. I'll suck you into the ocean. Come here. You go away. No, 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 not you. Him. Go away. Okay, I think I got everybody. Oh, you're scared. It's okay, I saved you. Okay. Go away, you awful things. Go away. I can't get all of y'all. Go away. Go away. Ah! Go away, you evil things. That's all I can do. Go. Ow. Shoo. Shoo. Ah. Oh. Oh my gosh. Go away, you evil thing. He ate. Oh my god. You evil thing. Ah. Oh. No. You are going in the water. Now shoot. And my tabby goes with you. They're not. Where are you coming from? Shoo. Sorry, Tabby. There. I'm not losing anymore. Ah. Oh, my poor slimes. I think I definitely need to get an upgrade. Maybe... Oh, that's so sad. My poor slimes. Evil, 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 evil tars. Okay. Let's try to get some more chickens. Oh, 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 I hear them. They're all up there? Can I get up? Up, up, jump. Can't jump. All up here? Little peeps. I see you, you're so adorable. Oh. More purple food? Can I get some purple food? Hello, kitty kitty. I'm gonna go back to my farm real quick. No, don't hit me. And see if I have some hens there that I can take with me for the gordo. They'll eat everything. Literally. They're my hens. Mine. You don't eat them. Dang it. I need to pop that gordo. Well, I think it pops. I don't know. Do something with it. Oh, hen. Hen, come here. Thank you. I'll be back to get reports here in a little bit, guys. Just doing a little exploring. What's back here? Oh. Okay. Overgrowth. Ooh, okay. Branch expansion. Kill, kill, kill. Let's go see if we can beat that gordo more. Hey guys! Beware the tar. Just a heads up. Alright, be safe, guys. Get a little bit more cocoa fruits. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Hey, peeps. You little slimies need to quit being rude and eating all my chickens. Hello, gordo. Oh, there's mushrooms. Okay. Hello, here you go. Getting bigger. Okay. Come on. Okay, let me set it all up. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. I want that, I want that, I want that. It's a different thing there. Come here. Okay, guys, sorry, I gotta do this. Alright, guys, don't look. They're gonna be okay. They're gonna be okay. Promise. What is that? Heartbeat! Got what we needed. Okay. So, what do we want to open? Go this way. Gotta collect those plorts. I want to put my tabby slimes in a coral growl. Guys, be careful. Let's go this way. Ow. That was rude. Eee! Ow! Ow! Oh, wait. Ow! I'm gonna go this way. Okay. Alright, our first door. Oh, come on. E to use key signs. Yay! What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Indigo Quarry. Okay. It's another deal. I was always happiest when I was by my lonesome. Places like this old quarry really suited me, nice and quiet and mostly empty, so I figured that life in the far, far range would suit me just as well. And well, wouldn't you know it, I come all this way and the first person I see, well, she changed how I saw things, I guess. Quiet wasn't good enough anymore. I liked her laugh. Aww. Oh, hello. What do we have? What is that? What are those? Let me get rid of my pokos. Ow. Pink. Boom. I want a boom. Hello, hens. I want a boom. What are you? Oh, where'd it go? Another. Did you? Fatty fat. Okay. So I may have to get rid of my tabby slimes. Whoa! Again? Okay, you guys are not welcome here. Go away. Where y'all? Get out of my way so I can see. I'm trying to help you guys. Did I help? Kind of looked like it. Huh? Okay. Yay! Ow, 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 ow. Need to quit. What's up here? Whee! That hurt me. So we got an odd onion, heartbeat. I want to get a boom slime. Oh. Ah. Oh. What's past here? Boom slime. Come, 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 come. Oh. Four. Go away, tabbies. Where'd it go? Come here. Oh, pink. Go away. No! No. Or. Thank you. Boom slime. I mean, and I guess I can always get my phosphor slimes later. Oh, my little boomies. Come here. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I actually did go boom. 4. I want one more. Did you fall down here? There you are. I don't know what that is. Was that a thing y'all can play with or something? Okay. Let's head back to the ranch. And get back up somehow? Then I can get out of here? And then we need to feed the rock gordo. I think the rocks are veggies. Yeah. Okay. Go back to the farm, back to the farm, back to the farm. What? Whoa. Okay. Cause I definitely need to do some things. Oh. Oh. And jump. Hey guys. Okay, let's go. So we got a boom slime, odd onion, still had the phosphor slimes, and heartbeat. No, don't harm me. Thank you. Love you. Smooches. Okay, get me up. Okay. So we need to do a lot to see. Because it says we can. If we need to do something with the 7Z Corporation, so we can upgrade or whatever. So let's see if we can do that. I want to see if I can combine the boom slime and the phosphor slime. Come on, let's go, let's go. Put some pep in the step. Okay, so I want to put my odd onion and heartbeat up here. I kind of want to get rid of the carrots. So let's do that. Remove crops. And let's put the odd onion in there. Get rid of these. Get those pink slimes. Come on. Get these my little slimy wimies. Okay. Here you go, guys. Foodies. Foodies. Okay. I'm gonna put the heartbeats right there. Oh. There we go. Works. Come on. Don't hurt me, don't hurt me. Stay right here. Stay in there. Oh, come here. Get in there, you silly. Come here. Wow! Get in there. Okay. Ugh. Why are y'all giving me problems? I'm gonna give myself problems. Stay in there. There we go. Ow. Ow. Okay. Oh, hush. Hush. Goodness! 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 Okay, so I think I can get a place. Yes! Purchase. Put my boom slimes in there. And I can always get my phosphor slimes later. Thank me! Okay. Get some more plorts. Let's see if I can go get some more plorts out. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the pink slimes. I don't think they give too much for the pink. I mean, look. You got 64 for the boom. 9. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Hi, guys. Okay, let's see if I can get an upgrade. Maybe... Ha! Did one of my booms get out? Yes, you did. I'm gonna need high walls. $350. Any more boards? Let me go see if I can gather some real quick. And then once I get the upgrade for the high walls, I'm going to go ahead and end it. Been a cute episode. We went into a new place. We found, well, we popped a gordo. We found another gordo that we're going to have to pop. I want to find, but I guess, let's go ahead and get it for now. Might as well. Come on. No, I don't want the carrots. Okay. Gotta hurry. Any good porch around here? Or just all pink guys? Oh, y'all are no help. Thanks. Any good ports over here, guys? Yay! Yes. Ow. Oh, be free, be free. Whoop. Ow. Be so mean. It should be enough to get me the high walls for the boom slimes. I wonder if I can make... Oh, that'd be cool to do. Ow. Eesh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Hey, guys. So pretty. Oh. Over here. Oh, whoa. Come here. Where's my heartbeat? Didn't I put him right there? That's odd. Guess I have to find more. Dang it. Oh, here we go. There. High walls, high walls. There. Alright, guys. I'm going to leave it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Smooches. And hugs. Bye.